This is Tim here from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to reset your Android phone even if you forgot the password or PIN. Just go to the top right here and we go to power options and we can power off our phone completely. Now each Android phone is going to be a little bit different. With your Samsung phone we need a USB cable connected to a laptop or a PC, and we have to have this plugged in, otherwise it's not going to access that recovery mode. But every phone, when you have it turned off, it's going to be a combination of power button and holding down volume up at the same time, or power button and holding down volume down. So most phones, I think when you have it turned off, you need to go to the power button and the volume up and hold this down. And with Samsung, you have to have it plugged into a PC. And that's the key to get that to work. And after about 10 to 15 seconds of holding down power button, volume up, the phone is going to come to this screen. Use the volume keys to go down to wipe data, factory reset, press the power button to select, and then you have to do this twice. Go to factory reset, and you should be able to hard reset it now and wipe the data off. And then it will clear that lock screen as well, so you can log back in and be able to use your phone. So if you forgot that, most of the time there is no reset with a website or anything like that. Hopefully all the data that you have is backed up, and then you should be good to use your phone now. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out.